Updating your billing information on Revolut is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account details are current. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Navigate to Profile. Once you are in the app, tap on the profile icon located in the upper left corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Access payment methods. In the profile menu, look for the option labeled Payment Methods of Billing. Tap on it to view your current billing information and payment methods. Step 4. Update billing information. Select the billing information you wish to update. You can add a new payment method or edit existing details. Follow the prompts to enter the new information accurately. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your billing information, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button and tap it to ensure your new details are recorded. By following these steps, you can easily update your billing information on Revolut. Keeping your account details current helps ensure smooth transactions and service continuity.